When you should wait to apply for a partner visa. You may be considering lodging a partner visa and wondering if now is the right time or if you should wait. I will briefly touch on a couple of instances where you should probably wait. So firstly, if you do not have sufficient evidence of your relationship or if you've not been together for a sufficient time. If your application does not have all the required evidence, this could potentially result in a much longer processing time, as the case officer would have to request for further documents or information from you. This could also, even worse, result in a visa refusal. A common misconception is that if you do not have sufficient evidence, you can still lodge your partner visa and continue adding more evidence on the application post-lodgement. Now, it's very important to know that although this can be the case in certain circumstances, you are required to meet the time of application criteria. What this means is there are certain documents and information that are required at the time you lodge your application. It is therefore vital that your application meets the time of application criteria. Partner visas are assessed on a case-to-case basis, not a one-size-fits-all. Every application is different. For example, I often get asked the question, how long do we need to have been together, or how many photos do we need? There is no hard and fast rule to this. The case officer will look at the entire application and make an assessment whether your entire application meets the rules and regulations. It is therefore prudent to seek professional guidance with regards to your individual set of circumstances to ensure that you do not risk refusal due to you lodging too quickly or lodging before your application meets the criteria. If you have received professional guidance and you have been advised that you meet the criteria, there is no better time to lodge than now. I have a video link below about why now is best.